Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a TV stand. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand. And if you guys see my previous video, I actually reviewed a bunch of other products from this brand before. But this time we do have a TV stand option. So I'm actually open this up and show you guys how to assemble it and also show you guys what's included inside. Right, so here is basically everything that's included in the package. So the part you guys, the tubes, the wooden part, and also the instruction manual right here. So everything is all laid out like 1, 2, 3 or ABCs. So that way you guys know where to put everything and it shouldn't take that long. They mentioned how it should take roughly around 10 minutes for you guys to set it up. So let's start assembling it. So this one right here is C. This one right here is B. And then for the last one right here is A. So basically I'm working this one first. So basically I'm gonna grab 4 of the short ones to put right here. And then 4 of the long ones on the side. And these right here are the legs that we'll put later on. All you need to do is screw it in. Very easy and very simple. And if you guys are curious about the material that's on here, these are plastic, whereas the wood is actual real wood. Alright, so once you guys finish this step, then you guys can put B on top. So just like that, now you can put on the other short one on top. Alright, so once you guys finish that, then you put the last piece on top. Once you guys do that, you guys can put the remainder of the feet or the legs onto the bottom. Alright, so now you guys are all done. So flip it back to the other side and show you guys what she looks like. Alright, so once you guys set it up, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys look at the height of the product, it is pretty low. It's not that high compared to a lot of other TV stand options. But see right here, we do have the option for you to put a TV on top. We do have a section right here, a section right here, a section on this side, and also the other side as well. And if you guys look at the way how to design the side right here, is like curved. It's not like a sharp end corner. So that way, if you guys actually bump on here, it won't hurt you, which is pretty nice. But the product is pretty lightweight. So if you guys want to move it around, it's very easy to do so. If you guys are curious about the weight capacity that's on here, it is 40 pounds for each different section. So 40 pounds here, 40 pounds here, and 40 pounds on the bottom. So if you guys do push on it, it is pretty stable. So this is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. Let me actually go get my TV and put it on here to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so once we put a TV on here, this is what the product looks like. So you see how it should give you guys a pretty good coverage on here. And for the TV that I do have, it is 43-inch Fire TV. If you see on the side, there's definitely a lot more space if I do want to fit like a 50-inch TV. And then if you guys do have like PlayStation or if you guys have like DVD players, you can definitely put it on the bottom right here. Or if you guys have like your modem router or anything else, you definitely have the option to play around with this and put whatever you guys want on here. And if you guys can see when we do put our TV on here, it definitely gives you guys a pretty good support. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want indeed one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for an easy to set up, affordable TV stand that looks the same way as this one, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.